Hola friends, this is Ruby from Createa Table. This is our factory. We hope you can enjoy visit our factory via the video and know more about our epoxy table. When selecting raw material, we strictly control the first step. We need to ensure the product line and stability of the epoxy tables. This is our sanding and polishing area. As we all know that, sanding and polishing directly affect our growth and aesthetic of our epoxy table.
Polishing is not just the last step in making a table. It happens in every cross after sanding. This is to enhance the quality, beauty, and durability of the product, and we try to make the surface as smooth as possible to achieve the ultimate smoothness. For Createa Table, we are not just making a table, but giving you and your family a shared space to preserve treasure memory of face-to-face. We hope that our epoxy table can bring happiness to your family. If you have any question, feel free to contact us.